You're listening to Oncle Jazz.
Dito tayo. Sino hindi ko kaya. Ganun ka din dapat naman. Hindi ko kaya. Ano na naman yan? Yung gagawin daw sa'yo. Look! Joke lang. Hindi na baga. Next ba? Pagka magkakasama tayo lang. Sige. Hey guys, tuturuan kayo niyan. Turuan kayo niyan. Balik na setup mo.
To turn off your voice when you talk at the same time. Number 2, it is incredibly important to maintain eye contact. Think about when you're talking to someone and they are on their phone texting, and you feel like they're not. Hello. Your dominant hand is coming out from your forehead. Hello. What's up? What's up? Your middle fingers put on the chest and they're going upwards. And you put an attitude like, what's up? What's up? How? Or how?
How?
You're doing the sign how, but make sure that your eyebrows are down because it's a WH question. How? How? You. You. You're using your index finger and point or well or dominant hand. Good or well? Good or well? Morning. Morning. Afternoon. Afternoon. Think of where the sun is in the afternoon. Toward yourself. Me or I. Name. Name. You got your 2 fingers close together and bounce on top of each other. Fine. Fine. Your 5 hand is coming right up to your chest. Fine. So-so. So-so. Your hand is flipping back and forth. So-so. Tired. Tired. It's showing your body slumped over when you're tired. Tired. Excited. Excited. Your feeler fingers are moving up on your chest. Excited. Or deaf. It can go either way. It's just pointing to your mouth and your ear. Hard of hearing. Hard of hearing. It's H or hard of hearing. Hearing. This is referencing that hearing people talk a lot. Learn. Learn. You're picking up something and putting it in your head. Learn. ASL or American Sign Language. ASL. again, or repeat. Your dominant hand is coming into the middle of your hand. Again, or repeat.
Pesos on your first ever deposit when you download the MariBank app now.
Ang bilis! Ano yung pangalan nito? Ako, pangalan ko. Linda Walker.
And you move it slowly along your arm.
Baby, slow.
Slow. Sign. Your hands are moving in towards yourself, referencing like you're signing. Your 5 hands are kind of bent in together, moving in and out. What? On top of the non-dominant one.
Ano yan? Are you okay?
Take care.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Okay.
Goodbye. It's just like you're waving goodbye.
1, 2, 3, go. Introduce me. Hello. What do you like? Ay, di. Wait lang. Isa pa. Okay, what do you like?
Over.
Ay. Alex.
Nagbabay na agad.
See you later. Tas bye. Ay.
Ano oras na ba?
Bye guys. Ay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye kay...
Bye. Ganun. Bye-bye. Ayan nila. See you later.
See you later. See you later. So I forgot I was vlogging. Pero right now, ginagawa ko yung design that is due tomorrow. Pero alam niyo kung kailan to in-assign? Last week, Monday. Tama ba? Last week, Monday. Procrastinator at its finest. It's currently 5:37. And I'm not sure what time I started. I think mga 4. And I'm done. I-render ko na lang. Honestly, yung layout, I'm not so proud about it. Pero may magagawa pa ba ako? Yeah.
Maganda, mabait. Ay, nandito pala si...
Ready na ba kayo?
Yes po.
Ready na. Kabalikat sa pag-aaral. Ganito palagi tayo para ano.
Once a week lang ba yung design na?
Oh.
Akala ko pa.
Yung ano, if ka, walang problema sa pro.
Tapon ko lang, guys.
Pwede naman tayo mag-gani.
Hi ka. Papost ka sa YouTube. Pwede? That is our room right there.
Magkano? Magkano?
Ulit nga, pakita mo ulit yung picture.
Siya si Honey ah.
Ito, galing yan tayo. Saan ako?
Si ano ka, Carl? Sino ba yung babae nakasalamin?
Saan tayo?
Ito naka-kids. Ito.
Si Herin.
Oh, dito ka, Carl. Uy, malaki.
Pumikit ka.
Ay, cute. Ano, kailangan mo tayo nga. Last na. Wala, yun na lang yung gagawin mo dyan eh. Cute.
Okay naman.
Oh, mamili ka na dyan.
Yun. Tamatos.
Wow, wala naman. Yan, nagkaamoy ah. Parang yung ano lang, pasahero lang na lalaki doon ah. Grabe talaga boy, yung asim talaga boy.
Wala akong maayos na picture. Puro malalaki. Ay, aesthetic wala naman. Sabi sa'yo eh.
Bakit ganon?
Pandemic.
Okay, so, mga nakanta.
Kahapon lang talaga yun.
Kaka, ewan ko. Wala na kasi akong alam sa oras eh.
ko.
Kasi yung isang ano ko, yung dapat yung bukas ko, nagiging mamaya na siya kasi anong oras na natutulog. Diba?
Tama na.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Bye-bye. Uy, tawag dito? Para siyang glass na parang hindi glass. Brittle glass. Brittle glass. Ayun na, may shade siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Comment sa comment section below. Comment sa comment! Okay.
Parang instant talaga, no? Boy. Wala gusto ko rin.
Hindi, pag may mini-mention akong gusto ko, niluluto ko lagi ni mama yun. Pati si ate.
So, nakauwi na ako. And, parang ngayon pa lang ako magsasalita in front of the camera. May brace na ako, guys. Last video ko wala pa akong brace. Ngayon na lang yung pinaka-update ko kasi sobrang busy nung second sem. Especially nung finals. Kasi yun yung first time namin mag-present ng board. Like architectural board. Nakita niyo na ba yung board ko, guys? I-add ko pala yung short video na film ko. I think 5 minutes lang yun. I-add ko na lang yun dito sa video na to.
First major lesson I learned is the importance of code compliance. Ito, nasa kindness din, pero it's more on professional conduct. Architecture is equally shaped by building systems. And perhaps the most difficult lesson is that form often follows content.
Manila International Book Festival and we have book signing there. So
Saan
baka
daw?
interested din kayo. So, magbibigay lang nila ako ng isang quote or line.
Manila Bookstore sasabihin ko. Basta sa Manila.
So, I want to give you this
Within
advice.
the area lang. Ano lang Japanese? Japanese pero yung kumakanta Pilipino. Nakisbound. Ay! Anong trip to? Trip to Jerusalem. Ayun na, wala na yung araw.
That's what I am. I'll fall for you.
Oh, wait lang. Ito na! Details na. Guys, I hate Rube so much. Definitely not my best. I could definitely do better. Ito yung mga tinasa ko. For the whole board. Hindi ko na na-video. Sorry guys, nag-lock in ako. Kailangan ko na tapusin ngayon ko na ipapasa. That's it. Okay, bye. Ayan, bibigyan ko na lang kayo ng update kasi I feel like puno na yung storage ko. Actually, puno na nga talaga siya. And yan pala nagagawa ko, 6 hours na ako nandito. Pero minus the minutes na nasa CR ako. Kasi kada progress ko, nasa CR ako. Na-diarrhea ata ako ngayon. Pero yeah. 6 hours. This is the progress. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung roof. Nalilito ako. Hindi ko na alam. Pero syempre, papagpatuloy ko to. Bye.